Well, what's up? Sami here. Today we're going to take a look at the Mi Play, the first wardrobe full screen design phone from Xiaomi. Just for the record, the biggest selling point of this phone is it comes with built-in monthly 10 GB of high-speed traffic plan, but I don't think it works for overseas users. Anyway, let's just unbox and take a quick look. The box comes with the manual, phone itself, a micro USB cable and a charger tracer. Most importantly, it has a SIM card which contains the 10 GB traffic. It sells at 1099 RMB, about 160 USD. The price is unbeatable. Mi Play has 3 color options: red, blue and black. Among them, red and blue have a gradient effect. What we got is a gradient blue. The screen is 5.84 inch 1080p, which is not bad, as most manufacturers will choose 720p for this price range. On the back, it features a fingerprint reader. Although it's a plastic back cover, it has the feeling of electro-optical glass. The middle frame surface is also polished. On the bottom, it has a micro USB port. On the top, it keeps a 3.5mm headphone jack. It weighs only 150 grams. It feels very light. For the hardware specs, Xiaomi Play is equipped with MediaTek MT6765. Currently only available in 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM version. The dual rear camera comes at 12 million plus 2 million pixels. For the front, it supports a 8 megapixel range. Check out the pictures. It's definitely an okay performance for a $160 phone. But like I said in the beginning, the biggest selling point is the built-in traffic plan, so you don't have to expect how good the hardware performance it has. That's a hands on Mi Play. If you have any questions, please subscribe and leave a comment. I'm Sami. See you next time.